FOMC yesterday. What happened? All right. Now, usually we get a fake move before the real move, right? All right. So yesterday, if you notice, we got a fake move down, okay? When the FOMC finally came out, we got 50 basis points, right? So the real move is right here. There's a fake move. We got a real move. And then it should continue in that same direction. But, however, you have too much money in the form of 0-day options that expire on this day. So guess what? This takes precedent over everything, okay? So whenever we have this factor, we'll just stick this up here, and you get billions of dollars because people are expecting a huge move for FOMC, you get a market that looks like this. It just chops and chops and chops, right? It goes up, goes down. It goes up, it goes down, right? And we end up back at the same place where we started on the day, which is right here at 474. So we closed down at 470, not too much, but what happens? So now these are expiring, okay? So these expire, they collect their billions of dollars, and now the real move from the fake move starts to take place after hours when nobody can place options trades, all right? So therefore, since we got the real move, now we're up from closing at 470 all the way up to 486. That's 16 points. That's 10,000% on your money, okay? That's what happens when you get market makers and big money with a huge influx coming in, okay? So what does this mean? We have a rule. Instead of playing zero-day expiration, which obviously they are going to try their best to manipulate by doing this, we want to buy next day, 1 day out, calls and puts. That way when we get a big gap up for the real move, we get paid. Because as you see, options are up 1,000%, 1,400%, 1,200% and up. Look at Tesla. Tesla is up how much? 1,000%. Let's look at Apple. Apple's up 700, 400%. So be smart. Realize the market is here to take your money, not make you money, and understand that these are the ways that market makers play. It's not going to make sense. It's not going to be logical. We knew that if we got 50 basis points, we should rally, right? So we finally got 50 basis points, and guess what happens? The market does nothing, and then it tanks, right? So with the Fed cutting interest rates, let me get back on QQQ. With the Fed cutting interest rates, then this 50 basis point cut, all right, ends up meaning that the economy is going to boom and we already have full employment, right? So again, understand that you can get exactly what you want in the market, exactly how you want it, and the market can do the total opposite. But all you have to do is buy. Give yourself some time. Always buy time if you can, and that's going to alleviate short-term manipulation by a market maker, and it will make you more successful and a higher probability to have a successful trade and a profitable trade. All right, God bless.